Hey guys, it's Andy from Reaper of Boosters again. Today we are opening Modern Horizons 2 set booster box. Let's go. We're obviously looking for some fetch lands. It's a little messy in here. Let's start the cracking. Oh, the first art card is a signed one. It's a squirrel. That's nice. And let's go. Helix, Uckbound prototype. And the Shadowfang Squirrel General, first mythic, and oh, another mythic. That's the sketched art. Nice pack. Nice beginning. Another sketch coming. And a crab. This is a foil. Yeah. Nice beginning. Let's keep it going. Two rares again. And the old border galvanic relay. This is the rare pile. Old border pile. In the end, I will go over all the different art styles and rares to give you a quick overview what we got. Art card. Ininvitable Betrayal is the rare, and another rare, Master of Death. Sketch and a foil. Old border foil as well. Oh, and another rare from the list, Hammer of Perforus. As well, in every opening I see someone getting this one in foil. Yeah, the hammer is not the rare we're looking for from the list. But maybe we get another rare or mythic. The list slot. The ooze. Old border. And a squall token. And I have these mini games in the packs again. Squall minigame. That's funny. Furry, another mythic. And a rare as well in the pack. Oh, old border Shaman boy that sees a lot of play in Modern. Not a lot of, but in some builds. The Squirrel Gang. Another squirrel. Glimpse of Tomorrow. Gorilla Shaman. Old Border. Well, it seems like in every pack there is a foil. Rise and Shine and Asman, whatever. Sketched. Arid Mesa, first fetch land out of this box. We take it. Let's keep the fetch lands here in the center. And the Nettlecyst, living weapon. Orb, Bone Shard, Old Border. Persist, and a Recruiter. Another mythic. It's around 10-15 bucks, the Recruiter. Right now it dropped in price. But still a very good card. Another signed art card, the second one out of this box. Foil Mountain. Battle Golems. Dorothy Voidwalker, Old Border rare. One Shredder. Faceless Salvaging. Lot of Squirrels, Chef's Kiss, and Solitary Confinement. Old Border and Sketch. And a list card. Ulvenwald Mysteries. I don't know if we forget a list card, but so far we only got two. Ooh, that's a nice artwork. Squirrels, a lot of squirrels. Scalding Tarn. Isn't that a Most expensive one of the fetches. Nice, second fetch. And another rare. Two fetches. We're about half in the display. So maybe we have some more. Sylvan Anthem, Vindicate, Old Border Shambler, and a Magus of the Bridge Sketched Foil. Rare. Let me organize this a little bit. Four mythics so far and two fetches. That's pretty good. Here, matching to our Planeswalker. Cut card. File Island. Late to dinner. Chaos Will, Old Border, rare. Cursed Totem. Ravenous Squirrel, sketched. And a foil Kitchen Imp. On my grave. And a Misty Rainforest. Nice. And a Counterspell. Nice pack. Shadowstorm, Old Border. That's pretty nice. The Dragon art card. Timeless Dragon. Wonder. Old Border Ornithopter. And a foil Foundry Helix. Hunting Creeper. Urza's Saga. Non-foil. The usual one, but a very nice pull. I know this is around 20-30 bucks. This card. Let's keep it here to the side. It's a value pull so that we can see it. Let's put it right next to the mythics. And another rare. Patriarch's Bidding. A sketched Dreadmaw. And a Terminal Agony foil. Sanctum Weaver, Rare's Apprentice, and a third rare, Wonder. And a foil Graceful Restoration. Artifact Land. Dress Down. Sea Drake. Mind Collapse. Old Border. And a foil Unbound Potential. Nice art. Underworld Cookbook. Bloodbraid Marauder. Chance Encounter. Kitchen Imp. Sketched and foil Crack Open. I'm hoping to see the Ragavan. That would be nice. It's a pretty expensive card right now. Around 60 euros. Or around like, I don't know, $80. Something around that. Dread Counter, Mythic. And this was a rare Calibrated Blast. Mock Salvage. Another. And this one in foil again. It's chasing us. Priest of Felrites, Magus of the Bridge, Gargoyle, Lightning Spear, and Aura Shards. Uncommon. Whenever a creature comes into play under your control, you may destroy target artifact or enchantment. That's pretty nice. Uncommon. From the list. Really not a lot of cards from the list so far. Third one, maybe I forgot one or two. But nothing really of value. Timeless Witness, nice. Cold Sanctuary and the Elder Dragon, Piru. And a Fractured Sanity. And another rare, Riptide Laboratory. Etched Goblin Foil. The Sword as an art card. Planes. The Voidwalker again. That's our rare. Glimmer, Old Border, and foil Kirin. A lot of foil basics. The Glimmer Wasp. Oh, nice. Underworld Cookbook, Old Border. Let's see some play in Modern and Commander. Nice. One of the better uncommons in Old Border, I guess. I don't know actually, but from the uncommons, that's a nice card. Solitude, Mythic. Ooh, nice art card. Yeah, our pulls have been decent. Unmarked Grave, rare. Soul Snare. Look. A foil whale. But I wouldn't complain if we get another fetch land or one of the big hitters like the Ragavan. Or maybe something from the list with some value. That's a nice art card. This is one of the lands, I guess. One of the artifact lands. Suspend. Extruder. Blacksmith, Old Border, and foil. Tourage Canticle. Oh. The last two packs. What is he riding there? Is it a dragon? Or a lizard? Oh, this one again, another mythic. And Cradle Guard from the list. Trample Echo for 3 mana. Yeah, nothing special. But we take the mythic. And on to the last pack. Let's pray for Fetchland. Endurance, Mythic. Enchantress Presence, rare. And foil mythic. And a Deathless Knight from the list. Oh, that was not the worst set booster display. Let's see how many mythics we get. So there's these two Planeswalkers. One is etched. No, not etched. It's sketched. And the other is a regular one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mythics. One of them is foil. and 3 fetches. And one of them is a Misty, the other a Scalding Tarn, though I don't complain about that. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.